Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. As you can see in front of me here, a lot of things are in Chinese here. Why? The reason is because of this guy here, this HMI here. It's a Smart 700E. As you can see, it's I don't know, it's usually Smart 700 IE version 3. Okay, the reason why it is in wreckage like this is because there is a problem here with the touchpad. This HMI is not responding to touch, and also the only way to program this HMI is you must have this software here, WinCC Flexible Smart Suspect 2 version 3. You need this software, and even on your Pro 2, on your Pro save here, on your Pro save, you need also to change your language to Chinese for you to be able to see this kind of a screen. So it's like if you search here, you don't get to the Smart 700. There is no Smart 700 here, you see, unless you come here and then you change your language to Chinese, and then after this you must restart your software. Okay, I'm gonna close it up. It's closing, and then I'm gonna start it again. Pro save. So I had to open this thing up. Yeah, I had to open this thing up. You must just push in these things in here on the side. You push, goes up, then there you go. This is out. So now we're in Chinese mode now. If you check down here, we can see the Smart 700IE, which is our HMI. So if you select this one, you're able to access this thing. Okay, and then I had to undo all these screws here. These screws, they require this type of Allen key. This type of an Allen key. This one is what you need. And then this membrane here. I don't know what you call it, a flex or whatever. It was here. So you need to undo it. You pull it out, and you still have this membrane here as well. So once you undo this one, you just have to hold your HMI like this, and then you turn it upside down. Then you have your screen with. Okay, so this part here is attached. The part at the back here, I think you can see via that membrane. You can see like that. You have an Ethernet port, your USB, your serial communication there. So this is not the problem. The problem lies within this guy here. So if you have an issue with the touch screen not responding, you must face this guy here. Even when you're buying something, you must buy this touchpad here. This thing that you must buy is the one that becomes faulty mostly on a lot of screens. So you need this. You open up. So the only way, this is a Chinese version. You don't get this thing anywhere locally or in a European country or wherever. You only get this from China. So it's the only way, and I don't have a spare with me here. So I'm just showing you, if you have a problem with this, you must just get this. Get this only. Once you have this, you're good to go. Okay, and okay, I'm gonna bring this body now. Yeah. So this is the whole HMI. I can still power it on. So if you're new to this channel, don't forget to click subscribe. If you're benefiting or you're learning something new, I really appreciate if you click the subscribe button. So I'm just gonna get that touchpad. I'm sure this guy will be ready to run. So like that, the power is in. The Smartline, you can see. So you see now, nothing happens. So that's the whole idea with this thing. if you're faced with the problem HMI that is not touching, just follow the same procedure. You don't need to do anything on this side. This is it. It's working. Everything is working except the touch. It's not responding. It's not responding. And I was pressing here. It's not gonna work unless you have this guy here. This is the guy that needs to be changed. This is the problem. This one. So thank you once again. Once I have the screen, I'll make another tutorial on how to change it as well. So thank you in advance for subscribing. If you have any question, just comment